Hello, I'm Lamar, your driving instructor. Welcome to the next lesson on different ways to park. Today we're going to learn how to reverse parking. It's very easy if you know all the rules. Last time we talked about how to do parallel parking. I leave the link in the description below this video. Subscribe to the channel and we'll get started. Please note, when selecting a parking position, note that the vehicle is more maneuverable in reverse. Therefore, you will be able to park even if you have limited space. If there is very little space, press closer to the edge where you will park. But in general, if you are a novice driver, it will be easier if you are farther away from the parking space, so it will be much easier for you and you will feel more confident. So here we go. Step 1. Find a spot where you can visually fit your car. Step 2. Be sure to turn on your right turn signal to show other drivers what you are about to do. Take the correct position on the road, keeping a distance of approximately 1.5 feet or 0.5 meters from other parked cars. Drive forward one parking space so that the rear of your car is on the start line of the second parking space. Step 3. Before you start parking, make sure there is no one behind you and that you are not in anyone's way. Engage reverse gear. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and slowly start driving. Watch for other vehicles in your side mirrors. Drive until you are in parallel with other cars and completely fit into the parking space. If the parking space is too narrow and you see in your left mirror that you may hit a car to the left of the parking space, there is nothing to worry about. Put the car in forward gear. Turn the steering wheel to the left and drive a little forward. This way you will increase the maneuvering space. Once in reverse gear, turn the steering wheel to the right and using your side mirrors, slowly drive into the parking space until you are parallel with other cars. Step 4. Set the wheel straight by turning the steering wheel back to center and start backing up. Usually beginners can't tell from their side mirrors how much room they have left in front of an obstacle. You may feel like you're about to hit the obstacle with your rear bumper, even though you still have plenty of room. You can also orient yourself to other cars that are next to you. If visually these cars are very similar to yours, then simply reverse until your side mirrors are parallel. That's it, and remember, the more practice you have, the better you'll get at it each time. In the first stages, try to practice on uncluttered sections of road. For example, in parking lots near supermarkets. I'm Lamar, your driving instructor. Drive safely and take care of yourself.